A few days ago, there was news that Samsung is planning to introduce their Galaxy S24 series in January 2024. Interestingly, this is a month earlier than when they announced their flagship smartphones. We now have information about the announcement date, order dates, and shipping dates for the Galaxy S24. According to a report from the Elect, the Galaxy S24 will reportedly be announced on January 17, 2024 in San Jose, California, USA. Usually, Samsung holds its Galaxy Unpacked launch event in New York, but the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event for the Galaxy S24 could be held in Apple's backyard. According to the same report, customers can pre-order the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra on January 18, January 19 in South Korea due to the time difference, and the pre-order devices will start reaching customers from January 26 to January 30. All other people can start buying the Galaxy S24 from January 30, 2024. While the Galaxy S24 series pricing hasn't been revealed yet, it is expected that Samsung will keep prices similar to the Galaxy S23 series. It means the Galaxy S24 could start at $900, while the Galaxy S24 Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra could be priced at $1,000 and $1,200 respectively. We had revealed a few months ago that the Galaxy S24 will be Samsung's first AI phone, featuring the company's in-house developed AI features. The company could also rebrand Bixby to Galaxy AI, and it has already revealed the first AI feature, real-time language transliteration during calls. Samsung considered San Francisco, USA, and Seoul, South Korea, as potential launch event locations for the Galaxy S24, but ultimately decided to hold the event in San Jose due to close collaboration with Google and competition with Apple. The company is launching the Galaxy S24 2 weeks earlier than the Galaxy S23 to improve revenue for the year's first quarter. The company seems to have settled for a timeline where its sales peak in Q1 and Q3 of each year, thanks to the launch of Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series phones. By the way, there's some news for those eagerly awaiting the Ultra models. Let's take a look at this comparison chart that shows the GPU power of the chipsets, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which will be featured in the S24 lineup. This not only surpasses the performance of Apple's M1 chip found in their computers, which does so with lower power consumption as well. What's more impressive is that Apple's latest chip, a 17 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, doesn't even come close to matching up with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It lags behind. It's truly amazing to witness what Qualcomm has accomplished in a few years. This definitely indicates how Snapdragon is gaining momentum against Apple's chipset. If these numbers turn out to be true, we might expect a powerful device from Samsung itself next year. So what are your thoughts on these scores for the S24 Ultra? Feel free to share your opinions down in the comments section, and for updates, you can visit our channel. I'll catch you guys in our next update. Till then, take care.